it's a coconut day, just a coconut day. Another coconut day, down Coconut Way. Gonna put on my flip-flops and head down to the bay. Gonna lay in the sun, down Coconut Way.
आप सुन रहे हैं विद्या प्रभात सुबह सवेरे। दिन नया दुनिया नई, दुनिया नई बातें कई।
Hello listeners, welcome to today's very special podcast. I am Revati.
And I am Rudra, and together we are bringing you something refreshing, healthy and truly tropical.
Yes, because today we are celebrating
World Coconut Day. Exactly, Revati. Every year on 2nd September, people around the globe celebrate the wonder fruit, the coconut. And trust me, by the end of this podcast, you'll be amazed to know how powerful and versatile this simple coconut really is.
Let's start with some fun facts. Did you know that the coconut is actually called the tree of life?
Wow! And not just that, almost every part of the coconut tree is useful. The fruit, the water, the leaves, the husk, even the trunk. Nothing goes to waste.
Coconut water is nature's energy drink. It has natural electrolytes, making it better than any artificial sports drink.
And the white flesh or coconut meat is rich in good fats. People make oil, milk and sweets out of it. Imagine coconut laddus, coconut chutney, coconut barfi. Revati, I'm already hungry.
Haha, me too, Rudra. But hey, do you know the interesting part? Coconut shells are used as bowl and even as fuel in villages.
That's why it's called Kalpavriksha in Sanskrit, the wish-fulfilling tree.
Gonna lay in the sunshine, not do a thing all day. Gonna roll in the sand, down Coconut Way. Well, it's a coconut day, just a coconut day. Another coconut day, down Coconut Way.
आप सुन रहे हैं विद्या प्रभात सुबह सवेरे। सुनते रहे सुबह सवेरे।
Now, let's talk about how coconuts are part of our traditions.
Yes, in India, coconut is considered very auspicious. Breaking a coconut before starting something new is sign of purity and positivity.
And in coastal areas like Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Goa, coconut is part of almost every dish. From coconut curry to coconut oil in hair, it's everywhere.
Not just in India, in countries like Philippines, Indonesia, Sri Lanka too, coconut plays a huge role in food, festivals and even economy.
Okay Rudra, let's make this fun. A quick rapid fire round. Ready?
Bring it on.
One word. Coconut water or coconut laddu?
Both, but okay, coconut laddu.
Next, coconut tree. Beach vibes or festival vibes?
Beach vibes, definitely.
Alright, last. Coconut oil for hair or for cooking?
Tough one, but I'll say both again.
Listeners, what's your choice? You can share your answers with us later. Because coconuts feed everywhere.
On a serious note, coconut trees also help the environment. They prevent soil erosion along the coast and give shade to many plants and animals.
And for health, remember friends, coconut water keeps you hydrated, coconut oil improves your skin and hair, and coconut meat gives you energy. Truly, it's a superfood.
So next time you drink fresh coconut water, thank the tree that gave it.
Well, that's all for today's World Coconut Day special.
We hope you had fun and learned something new.
So, raise a coconut in your hand.
And celebrate the magical fruit of nature.
Happy World Coconut Day. Thank you.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat now. The coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. The coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's a cocoa fruit.
सुनते रहे रहे सुबह सवेरे, स्वस्थ रहे, मस्त रहे।
Cocoa tree, it's a cocoa fruit. It's